boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great collab, GIMS and Dadju. They made Terminal 2F, and I just am so excited to travel for next time, and actually doing that pretty soon. So this one gets you vibes of just lift off and see different destinations. Terminal 2F, let's take a look at this song, and we're gonna do that with capo on the 6th fret, all right? So capo on 6, and with that we have 3 easy chords. So let's do the chords together. We're gonna start with A minor, all right? So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is D minor. And D minor goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right, so we're gonna look at this strumming pattern now, and it's divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna split it, but we're gonna look at it with the A minor first. That is the chord that starts the song, and I can just mention now it goes A minor, G, and D minor through the entire song. That's the order of it. So A minor, 1 full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down, and then part 2 plays down, clap, down. So there's a short pause in between the parts here. So down, up, clap, down, pause, and then down, clap, down as part 2. So a couple of rounds of it goes like this. All right, so we're gonna look at the song now with the A minor, G, and D minor. You're gonna play 1 full round of A minor like we just did, and then you're gonna go to G and play part 1, the down, up, clap, down, and then you shift to D minor and play part 2, down, clap, down. And you finish 1 chord progression around there. You're gonna play like that from the beginning till the very end. We love that scenario. So let's do a couple of rounds of A minor 1, G part 1, and D minor part 2, like this. And that's it, guys. GIMS Dadju Terminal 2F. Good luck with this one, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.